Hi, I'm Liz, and today this is my review of my new soldering iron that I picked up for my new adventure in stained glass work. So I wanted one that was simple and easy to use, and I also didn't want to spend a ton of money since I'm just learning how to solder and do stained glass in general. So I picked this one up because it meets the requirements for what you need in way of soldering for stained glass.
And this seemed like it would be an easy to assemble, pretty good starter spot for myself. So I wanted to show you guys pulling it out of the box, what it comes with, how it's wrapped, all those good things. This one I didn't know was actually coming with it just because I didn't pay attention, but it has a bunch of extra tips. So depending on the type of your work that you are doing, you can switch those out. I actually switched it out to the one that has a slight incline or angle to it, and that has worked really well for the soldering that I'm doing. So the other thing is it was super simple to put together. I didn't even read the directions. I just literally screwed everything in. Even for switching out the tip, I just was able to switch that out real fast, which initially I was a little worried about because I've never worked with a soldering iron before. So the only thing that comes in the kit that did not work for my purposes was the actual solder. And you'll see here, I did play with it for a little bit because I ordered the wrong solder just to begin with. So this, I assume, is for electrical work or something that needs a lighter solder with it. So if you're looking for stained glass solder, you definitely need to order a different one. But I wanted to show you here, I did then order the correct solder and it works really well. So especially as somebody who is just getting started, this soldering iron was easy to use, simple to put together, and it works with the solder for stained glass. So the other thing is it does heat up very quickly, so you don't have any wait time there. And just to show you guys, I did finish the project. So here it is in all its glory.